This is Preen Vegetable Garden Weed Preventer. The active ingredient is corn gluten, a byproduct of corn milling. Corn gluten has properties that prevent weed seeds from sprouting. One application can keep your vegetable garden weed-free for 4 weeks. Preen Veggie doesn't kill weeds, it prevents new weeds. So step 1 is to kill or remove the existing weeds in your vegetable garden. We suggest you remove them manually. Some weeds can be pulled by hand, others need to be dug out with tools. In all cases, it's important to get the roots. Of course, working the soil brings dormant weed seeds to the surface where they can sprout and grow in the sunlight. That's where Preen's Vegetable Garden Weed Preventer comes in. After your garden is free of existing weeds, it's time to stop future weeds. Sprinkle the corn gluten granules over the soil or mulch. Water in the application, and you're done. That's how easy it is to enjoy a weed-free vegetable garden. You can reapply Preen anytime, right up to the day of harvest. If you plant your garden from seed, wait until the young plants are 2 to 3 inches high with true leaves before applying Preen Veggie. As with any garden product, it's important to read the product label and follow instructions. You can find Preen labels and lots more easy care gardening information on www.preen.com. While you're there, sign up for Preen's email, Garden and Landscape Tips, for timely updates and ideas on gardening and outdoor living. For Preen, I'm Chris Holliday. Happy gardening.